everyone, and welcome to an Elevator Explorer Plus room tour. Today we're at the Quinta Inn in Tacoma, Washington, looking at room 204. A card slide lock here. And once you come into the room, it's a nice big open space, 2 double beds. You got a door with a bolt with a little latch lock here, a deadbolt lock, peephole with something in it. We open the closet. You've got hangers, ironing board, iron, cups with ice bin, coffee maker, which I checked was clean, with coffee products, empty towel dispenser, and another empty towel dispenser, trash can, hand towels, sink with Dove bath products and a mirror for shaving, a sunbeam hair dryer, big towels for your body and stuff when you're showering, more toilet paper, an American Standard toilet, a pretty clean shower with a non-calcified shower head, and a beautiful La Quinta curtain. And then you got another mirror, a lamp, 32-inch TV, chest with drawers, chair, an ergonomic chair, a big desk for your work, sockets, another lamp, an Amanda P-TAC unit, a Seasons fridge, which I checked was already defrosted, but it was still kind of wet, another trash can, pillows, landline phone, another drawer to store your stuff, remote. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Are the beds clean? They use the white kind, so we think they might be, but this is where they hide things. All right. This has a 3.9 on the scale. Let's see. First, they use this. This is, I think, I don't see anything terrible. There's just a little tiny thing. That doesn't matter. I'm allowing up to like maybe 2 or 5, like 5 mistakes. Let's see, this matches comforter. It's cool. Ooh, that's spot. There's one hair on there and a little perma stain. Let's make sure the sheets are good. Sheets are good. Bed should be pretty good. Yep. And let's see here. Are these zippered on, or can you pull these off? Oh, yep, you can pull them off. Let's see here. Hold on one sec. Let's put these pillows here. Let's check this. The mattress topper could be better. It's acceptable. And then mattress is clean. Let's make sure that under there's no bed bugs. I don't see any. Alright. We're gonna put this back on. I can figure out how. Alright. Pillows are clean. Now let's check the other bed. We're gonna check this one. Yeah, there's a little stain there on the top. So let's see. Let's pull this. There's a little bit of fuzz. Is that fuzz or is that looks like fuzz? This one is better on the top. This is clean. Now let's see the undercarriage. there's a hair there that I just saw. It's not the cleanest mattress topper. Let's check this. That's clean. And then clean. No bed bugs. Okay. I'll just make you watch me put the bed back together. Alright. This fixed up a little bit. Yeah, oh, sorry if you saw my hand. I will probably sleep on either one of these. Beautiful black floral pattern. Then finally, my coat and a grip for your luggage, which you see right here. So, all in all, I paid about roughly $150-ish per night for this room. So about $480, $500 to $520 total. And I gotta say, it's a good room for a mid-scale hotel here in Tacoma, which there are not a lot of, and there are not a lot of really good ones. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever seen. You know, with the exception of maybe the mattress topper having like a couple hairs on it and a couple crumbs. Really, the beds are pretty exceptional. So I gotta say, this is a good room for the price I paid for it. So with that being said, like and subscribe. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one.